Welcome to Fastlane. This video will demonstrate how to back up your data to a USB thumb drive so it can be moved to your new Fastlane computer. The Fastlane upgrade will completely reinstall the operating system, meaning that all files currently on your computer will be lost. Backing up your data is important to maintain the integrity and safety of your files. This is your responsibility. You'll need to back up your work-related documents, export your internet browser's bookmarks, and ensure that your archived, cached, group-wise emails are secured. First, determine if your computer's documents are currently being stored onto a network drive. If you're using a Windows XP computer, right-click on My Documents, select Properties, and see if the indicated pathway points to the W drive. If it is, then your documents are already stored on the network and you don't have to worry about backing up your files. If you're using a Windows 7 computer, double-click on the desktop folder that has your username, right-click on My Documents, select Properties, and see if the indicated pathway points to the W drive. If it is, then your documents are already stored on the network and you don't have to worry about backing up your files. If the data isn't being stored on the network, then you'll need to back up your local files onto a thumb drive that will be provided to you by Lane's IT department. Insert the thumb drive into the USB port of your computer. An autoplay window should appear, which will give the thumb drive's drive letter and name. This is usually labeled as Removable Disk. If the Windows autoplay window doesn't appear, double-click My Computer, Windows XP, or Computer, Windows 7, to identify the thumb drive's designated Fastlane name. To begin moving the files, if you're a Windows XP user, double-click on My Computer, double-click on the C drive, double-click on Documents and Settings, and then double-click on your username. If you're a Windows 7 user, double-click on Computer, double-click on the C drive, double-click on Users, and then double-click on your username. In Windows XP, your user folder has 3 subfolders named Desktop, My Documents, and Favorites. You'll want to back up these 3 directories. In Windows 7, your user folder has 7 subfolders named Desktop, Favorites, My Music, My Videos, My Pictures, Downloads, and My Documents. You'll want to back up these 7 directories. Right-click a folder and select Send To from the menu, and then select your thumb drive based on its designation. This will copy the data to that location. You'll want to do this for every folder that you're backing up to the thumb drive. Please be aware that if you have stored data on other locations on your local computer, it is your responsibility to back that up as well. Check to see if your data was properly transferred. Double-click My Computer, Windows XP, or Computer, Windows 7. Double-click on your thumb drive's drive letter and make sure all of your data is present. Next, you'll want to save your internet browser's bookmarks. If you used Internet Explorer, your bookmarks were saved when the Favorites folder was copied. For Firefox users, you'll need to move your bookmarks through the following steps. Open Firefox and select Bookmarks from the toolbar located at the top of the browser window. Select Show All Bookmarks, and then select Import and Backup. Next, select Backup from the menu and select Save. This will save the bookmarks file as bookmarks, the day's date appended to it, onto the computer's desktop. Go to your desktop, find the bookmarks file, right-click it, select Send To, and then select the designation of your thumb drive. Your internet browser bookmarks are now saved. For Google Chrome users, you'll need to move your bookmarks through the following steps. Open Chrome and click on the 3 horizontal bars in the browser's top right corner. Select Bookmarks, Bookmarks Manager, Organize, and then select Export Bookmarks to HTML file. Save this file to the desktop. Go to your desktop, find the bookmarks file, right-click it, choose Send To, and then select the designation of your thumb drive. Your internet browser bookmarks are now saved onto your thumb drive. The last needed step in the process is to save your cached and archived GroupWise email. If you use GroupWise in caching mode, follow the process to ensure your data will be saved to the network. First, turn off caching mode. Go into GroupWise and select File, Mode, and then select Online Mode. Restart GroupWise. Next, verify that Online Mode is enabled. Go back into GroupWise, select File, Mode, and verify that Online Mode is checked. Your GroupWise data is now secure. If you archive your GroupWise email, follow these steps. In GroupWise, select Tools, Options, Environment, and then File Locations. Look in Archive Directory. If it says anything but W://, insert W in place of C. Then select Apply. You've copied your user data and bookmarks to your thumb drive and saved your GroupWise archive and cache to the network, so you're nearly done. You'll want to properly eject the thumb drive to prevent data corruption. Double-click My Computer, Windows XP, or Computer, Windows 7, to identify the thumb drive's designated fast lane name. And right-click the thumb drive's icon. Select Eject. When prompted, select Safely Remove Hardware. Once that appears, go ahead and remove the drive. Your computer should now be ready for its upgrade. Welcome to Fastlane.